How to transfer USDT from Binance to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Binance account, go to your wallet, and spot wallet would be fine. You can also open up the overview, that's fine as well. After that, click on this option of withdraw and wait for it to load. After that, select the coin and over here just simply type USDT since we want to transfer it, and either you can go with the address or just simply select Binance user, then provide the email. If you have the email, you can also send using phone number or you can also send using Binance ID. And this way you would be able to send it from Binance to Binance without any fees. And you can also go with the address, simply ask for the USDT address from the person who you are sending it to, and after that select the network. Make sure that you select a network which has the lowest fees, and over here as well you can see that there are some chains which has zero fees, literally zero. So Binance Smart Chain is among them, and after that just simply provide the address and click on send, and this way you would be able to withdraw the USDT from Binance to Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.